Start it up. Hello. Welcome. Right. Today we are going a bit different to the normal chopper and bike stuff. We are getting Shani's HQ running. Give us a wave, Shani. Give us a wave. All right, so pretty much all the hard work was done yesterday. I didn't have a chance to film it. I was going flat out. So it's I've got all the timing done. We just kicked it over before and it fired, but now we've got to, try and actually get it going on that. Hopefully it starts up, we have no issues. It's got an old carby on it off another car, so more than likely that's going to leak and carry on. Then what we're going to do is, get this radiator filled up with some water and just, give it a bit of a, make sure it's actually running okay, do the timing, and that's pretty much it. Then we're going to be ready to put it back in the shed for another 6 years.
Sounds about right.
No, and then we'll get everything running like, we've got to get a tail shaft made, we've got to get the shifter installed and everything like that. But today is just about starting this up and, getting it going pretty much. All right, let's do it.
You ready?
Oh yeah, hold on.
Have to remember not to slip on the oil.
Yeah, I know. I think that's it. Oh, this has got it. Did you get that chop out?
Not under that front wheel yet, no.
Which front wheel is it?
Where you are.
You right?
Ready?
Hold on. You jump in, because I'm not going to be able to get past that post.
Don't be so hard on yourself.
Out of the Rex. You right? It's got no brakes. Bring it up. So just roll straight.
Straight on.
Glad she didn't run into that.
Hey.
Nothing. Alright.
Oh, so excited.
So excited. Yep. You come here and put this in. Doesn't matter if it overflows. Just let it out. Where do I put that timer on? You alright? Yeah. Alright, go. belt was slipping like a motherfucker. So we're going to tighten that up. Leave it like that for now. We'll see how it goes.
How does it work though like that?
Tie rods. Oh fuck it. That'd be right. That doesn't fit that. Alright. Done.
What about that one?
I wonder if it's leaking again. That's alright. Done. Start her up. Happy?
Finally! What do you reckon, Nikki?
What do you reckon? Well, that's it. It's going. Got to do a few other little bits and pieces now, get the transmission all sorted out and get the shifter installed. Then after that, we just got to start putting everything back together and tidying it all up. So that's it. All done. What do you reckon, Sean?
Awesome job, babe.
Who's the king? Who's the king? All right. That's it. Done.